Hey, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Okay, I just got to the office and Erin said to me, oh, have you seen these at Trader Joe's? And I said, no, what are they? And she said they are maple pancake flavored puffs, corn and rice snacks. And I have to tell you, I tried one and it is the best thing I ever tasted in my entire life. And I'm not exaggerating at all. No exaggeration. It's like the texture of like a giant pirate's booty. Tastes like the best pancakes in the world. It has a maple kick and then like a light salty flavor that just goes bam in your face. These are the most delicious things I have tasted on the planet. They're 150 calories, 4 servings. That means if you gobble down the whole bag, it's 600 calories, 8 grams of fat per serving. You don't have to eat the whole bag. Just eat like 1 serving. But these are incredible. You have to go out and get your hands on these because they will change your life for the better. I promise you.